Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check website traffic on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of this SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after you creating an account, so go to the site tools, statics, traffic and audience to check visitor from which countries visit your website the most. So after next, what are my sites to top performing keywords? So go to site tools, statics, traffic source, select source keyword where you will find the top performing keywords. So you can also check it for these keywords in traffic. And which are my top visited pages. Go to site tools, statics and traffic behavior to check your most visit pages and pages view. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.